Welcome to another Simple Dad iPhone tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to rearrange your files or folders by name, date, size, or kind on your iPhone. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like this video. So when you access your Files app, you'll see all type of documents which you have downloaded on your iPhone. However, it will find difficult to find things if you have so many things downloaded like this. So let me show you how to arrange these files and folders by name, date, size, or kind on this Files app. So to do this, first you want to open up your Files app, go to the file location where you want to rearrange. So I'll tap on the Downloads folder. Next, you want to tap on the three dots here at the top right. Now on this menu, you're looking for this menu here, name, kind, date, size, and tags. So here you have 5 different types of rearrangements you can do. So let me tap on name. This will arrange all the files and folders alphabetically. Next, you can use kind. So in this arrangement, you have all the photos grouped in one, PDF documents, zip files, so it's much easier to find things. In the third one, you have date. So this will arrange all the files and folders by date. Then you have size. So you have the largest one on top and the smallest one at the bottom. Then tags. If you have any tags on your files, it'll arrange it as per that. So that is how to rearrange your files or folders by names, date, size, or kind on your iPhone. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.